Hello guys, Saptarshi is here, and today I am going to make an app in Thunkable. So let's open Thunkable. We have to open this one. As I am already logged in, so I don't need to sign up. You need to sign up. And now we will give a project name. And at first I want to tell you, if you are not upgraded in Thunkable, you need to delete one app if you had made already 10 apps. So I have to delete one app here. I had made one this uh, trial app, so I will delete this. And now I will make an app. The name of app is calculator. So let's type it. And now we have to select one category. You can select any category. Let me choose one category. There are many categories here and it is compulsory. Let me see what I can choose here. So I will choose just testing and create. It will redirect to this page. And now there are two uh, platforms, design and blocks. In design we have to design this app, and in blocks we have to code. So now I have to bring one this text input and another text input, the same way. And now I have to bring four buttons. No, at first we have to click on screen and uh, go to vertical alignment and space around. And now we have to bring four buttons. The buttons will be subtract, add, multiply and divide. So we have to drag this button and put it below text input, like this only. Rest 3. And now uh, I will name these things. In the place of type here I will write here your first number. And in here I will write type your second sorry second number. Okay, now we will name this button, that is subtract, add, multiply and divide. First one add and second one multiply. Sorry, we should write here subtract and then multiply and then divide. And then I am going to do one thing. I am going to make the buttons square, not square, rectangle. We have to click on radius and we have to make it 0, means nothing. We have to cut the 75. The same we will, it's not compulsory, it's just for show. We will do these things with the rest one. So now I am going to add colors to these buttons because it's not looking good. So let's add color. At first I am going to make it small letter. I have given capital letter, and then I am going to add colors. Now we have to click on background colors and give any colors you want. I am going to give red because it will look good, and in subtract one I am thinking to give green, so let's give green. And in multiply one, let's give uh, let it be like this only. And in divide one, let's give purple. So now it's looking good. So guys, this was the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. I will make more videos like this, and I will continue the rest part 2 in my next video. Till then, bye bye.